Now we will do sexual reproduction in plants. As you know that flower has mainly four whorls: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Four whorls होते हैं. The sepals from the calyx, okay, जो sepals होते हैं, you can see these are called sepals. So the sepals, जो collectively sepals को हम कह देते हैं calyx, and petals जो होते हैं flower के, जो colored part होता है, that is called corolla. The androecium comprises the stamen, this male part, okay. This is the male part of the flower. This is called androecium, okay. And this is the male part of the flower. Each stamen bear a long slender filament. Each stamen this bear a long slender filament at the tip of which lies a pollen bear structure called anther. और ये जो टिप पे ये स्ट्रक्चर है पोलन बेयर, जहाँ पे पोलन्स होते हैं, that are called anther. Okay, the anther produces thousands of dusty pollen grains. This part produces thousands of dusty pollen grains which give rise to male gametes. Okay, then is the female part that is present in the center. The female part is called gynoecium or pistil. It may consist of one or more carpels. Okay, they have three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Stigma is the topmost part, style is this long part, and ovary is at the base. The ovary bear ovules. Small ovules I've seen. Ovule is a rounded structure that contains the female gamete or egg cell. At one end of the ovule is an opening होती है यहाँ पे ovules की एक end पे, that are called micropyle. Some flowers do not have pistil while some do not have stamens. Okay, सारे flowers में pistil या stamens नहीं होते, जिसमें सिर्फ एक पार्ट ही होता है, मीन्स या मेल या फीमेल, दैट इज कॉल्ड यूनिसेक्सुअल. यूनि मीन्स वन. द फ्लावर्स ऑफ मेज, बॉटल गार्ड, पम्पकिन एंड बिटर गार्ड, दे आर यूनिसेक्सुअल फ्लावर्स. They bear unisexual flowers. And the flowers which have both part, male and female also, that are called bisexual. Example is rose, china rose, lily. Okay, all these are bisexual flowers. Then is pollination. The transfer of pollen grains, from the anther to stigma, means from male part to female, is called pollination. This is the first step in the sexual reproduction of flowering plants. When the anther mature, it bursts open to release pollen grains. जब anther mature हो जाते हैं, ये burst हो जाते हैं, they open to release pollen grains which are transferred to stigma, जो stigma पे transfer किए जाते हैं, of the same flower, yeah, the same flower or of same flower of same species. Okay, pollination can be of two types: self pollination and cross pollination. When the pollen is transferred from the anther to the stigma of same flower borne by the same plant, that is called self pollination. Means जो अपने flower में pollination होती है same flower में या species same हो, that is called self pollination. And when the pollen is transferred to the stigma of flower of other plant, okay, सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन होती है जब एक ही फ्लावर, मींस एक ही प्लांट के एक फ्लावर से दूसरे फ्लावर तक पोलन्स ट्रांसफर होते हैं स्टिग्मा में, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन. और क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन होती है कि स्पीशीज सेम हो पर प्लांट डिफरेंट है. गॉट इट? स्पीशीज सेम बट प्लांट डिफरेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड cross pollination. Self pollination may occur in flowers in which the anther and stigma mature at same time. So self pollination उन्हीं flowers में होती है जब जिनके anther stigma same time पे mature होते हैं, जैसे wheat, barley, oat and peach are some example of self pollinated plants. And self pollination also occur in some flowers even before they open. Okay, खुलने से पहले भी occur हो जाती है some flowers में. Some species of pansy, balsam, wood, sorrel, and sage are pollinated this way. But cross pollination occur in flowers in which the anther and stigma mature at different time. So उनके जो anther stigma अलग अलग time पे mature होते हैं. That's why they have a barrier preventing self pollination. तो उनमें self pollination नहीं होती. Cross pollination occur in plants which male and female flowers are born by different plants. कईयों में मेल फ्लावर ही होते हैं, कईयों में सिर्फ फीमेल होते हैं. दैट्स वाई दे हैव इन दैट प्लांट. एप्पल, डेट, पाम, विलो and common primrose are some example of cross pollinated plants. Various external agents like the wind, certain animals and water, they can carry pollen grain for self or cross pollination. ये है agents like wind, animals या water, ये carry करते हैं pollen grains. So कि ये process pollination हो सके. Most flowers are pollinated by wind or insects. Such animals such as hummingbirds, bats, snails, they carry out pollination. However, we can discuss only here wind, insect and water pollination. Okay.